Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud workflows for data operations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Cloud workflows for data operations, first, ensure that you have a Google Cloud account. Navigate to the Google Cloud console. In the top left corner, click on the hamburger menu to open the navigation pane. Scroll down and select I am an admin from the menu. Next, click on Service Accounts. Here, you will create a new service account. Click the Create Service Account button at the top of the page. Enter a name for your service account in the designated field. Provide a brief description to clarify the purpose of the service account. Click Create and Continue. Now, grant the appropriate permissions needed for your workflows. Select roles like Cloud Functions Developer and Cloud Run Admin. Click Continue once you've assigned the roles. You'll now have the option to grant users access to this service account. If you wish, enter the email addresses of users who should have access. Click Done to complete the service account creation process. Next, navigate back to the main menu and select Workflows from the list. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top to find Workflows. Click on Enable to activate. Once enabled, click on Create Workflow to start setting up your workflow. Fill in the name and description for your workflow. Specify the region where you want your workflow to be hosted. Now, it's time to define the steps in your workflow. You can use the YAML editor to write your workflow definition. Make sure to include the necessary API calls and data manipulation tasks. Click Save once you've finished writing your workflow. To test the workflow, click on Execute to run it. Monitor its progress and check for any errors in the execution logs. If necessary, revisit your workflow definition to make adjustments. Once you're satisfied with its performance, your Google Cloud Workflows is now ready for data operations. You can integrate it with other Google Cloud services as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.